Yeah, oh yeah. It's like it's always been the same, pretty much the same damn thing almost every single day. No matter how much I try to change, I'll always remain the same. I mean, who am I kidding? Who am I to blame? I can never change, I will never change, not even for the money or the fame. I just wanna know why I came to this world. Even if I don't got an impact on anyone or anything. If I do, on who and what? If I do, on who and what? I'm doing the best that I can, I'm doing the best that I can to change the wrong direction I'm in, to change the wrong direction I'm in. I'm doing the best that I can, I'm doing the best that I can to change the direction I'm in, to change the direction I'm in. Oh no, I've been stuck with the same thing for a while now. Eyes kinda water, but I can never cry. Oh my, I need to change my direction. Lately I've been falling off. All in all, it ain't all that bad. I'm doing the best that I can. I gotta find myself, cause I've been feeling like not like me lately. Maybe if I try to change the way that I see the world, but even if I give it a try, my eyes are kinda blurry. And if I ever die, please don't worry, I'll be fine. I'm doing the best that I can, I'm doing the best that I can to change the wrong direction I'm in, to change the wrong direction I'm in. I'm doing the best that I can, I'm doing the best that I can.